Good afternoon, distinguished guests, colleagues, peers, and most important of all, equal citizen as per Constitution only of Pakistan as per Section 8 to 28. The Constitution of Pakistan, notably, it is an honor for me to appear in front of you today to express my thoughts on a topic that is linked to the core of the issue and values of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Before I commence my speech here today, the very first thing I would like to do is express my sincerest gratitude, a very strong lady having a steel nerves, well capable, litigant, and esteemed colleague whom we all know as Madam Asma Jahangir. She was a lady who needed no introduction as she was looked up to be young advocates, seen as symbol of hope for meek and weak people and easy target segment of society by the poor and very well respected by everyone. Radicalism is derived from the Latin word radis, which means root, and it is considered as the root of fundamentalism. It is both mental and emotional process that prepares and motivates an individual to pursue violent behavior, the process by which an individual group of mass people undergo transformation from participating in the political process via legal means to the use of sport of violence. In Pakistan, as a matter of fact, it becomes violent and gives force to terrorism and violating the constitutional rights of minorities. And there are some rights which are not only abused, also refused. Commonly known reasons for radicalization are injustice. Number two, violation of any kind of violence, including political, ideological, and religious. According and discrediting the accusing and discrediting the victim of for violence, degrading and decentralizing the victim through different signs of language, blame game, reduction and misconstruing the effects of using various methods. Certain domestic and external circumstances added fuel to fire on the radicalism in Pakistan. There are a number of reasons like historic, economic, social, political, are helping in patronizing radicalism. Although there are a number of reasons which help to increase radicalism in Pakistan, but politically and power struggle of the ruling either belong a civilian or military background remains main cause of this spread and increase. They redefined in identity of Pakistan from a progressive, tolerant, and peaceful state of harsh, intolerant, and theological state. Pakistan cannot step forward in right direction in future unless our nation follows the vision of founder of Pakistan who dreamed of a secular and liberal Pakistan, and that reflects in his first speech to the Constituent Assembly on 11th August 1947. Early stage in schools always built a brilliant, independent mind, but unfortunately, our schools' curriculum and religious intolerance has increased extremism and terrorism across the country. It hindered the progress of the state, and it is greatest threat to the country today. The tolerant and liberal voices are being attacked and felt beside, but still there is a hope as many human rights activists like Asma Jahangir or some politicians and newspapers have raised their voices for moderate Pakistan. Qazi Azam created Pakistan in 1947 and he made it clear on his inaugural speech of National Assembly on 11th August declared that there will be no difference in the status of Muslim and non-Muslim and there would be equal rights in the newly Pakistan. Jinnah had secular approach and intended to establish such state where all minorities had equal rights. He included all religious representatives in his cabinet, but after his death, our great nation lost its path. The religious politics in Pakistan has achieved a solid mass support from all social classes. Therefore, radicalism has proven itself as a powerful and undisputed force to influence the government policies. The violation of the religious political has gravely impacted the political violation of the country itself. It has driven the already divided society into the orthodoxy, radicalization, extremism, and religious exclusiveness. Last, in my opinion, I really appreciate such like of seminars, highly appreciate Asma Jahangir organization and its contribution towards such sensitive issue. I recommended focusing on the educational work and young people. Both thoughts, both the youth work and in school and our out of school education. Grassroots organization can play a useful role in such educational programs to reach out to young people from various at-risk communities to train them as youth. Culture workshop in learning which can play a vital role. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sindhu Saab.